Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple recipe on how to make cabbage and carrot salad. Very easy. Here I have my ketchup and mayonnaise that I've mixed. I'm going to use that for dressing. You can use any salad dressing of your choice. And then I have my cabbage. I'm going to be cutting part of it. I'll not use all. And then I have one carrot. Now I'm going to go ahead and prepare the carrot and the cabbage. It's very easy to put together. Okay, it's not difficult and it's healthy as well, because there's not a lot of things going in there. You can choose to add a bit of warm water just to loosen it up a bit if you don't want it that crunchy, but I wanted this crunchy. That's why I'm not going to add anything. Very easy. It took me just like about 3 minutes and everything was all ready. Once I'm done, I'm going to also go ahead and chop my cabbage. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? If you haven't, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Okay, please, let's grow this channel together. And happy new month to you all. Welcome to the month of December. So now this is it. I'm done prepping it. I'll just go ahead and add in my dressing that I made earlier. I'll use my spatula and just mix. And guys, this is all ready. Okay, it didn't take me any time and it is all ready. You can use just mayonnaise, you can use just salad cream, but it's all ready now, and all we need to do is just mix it a little bit more and then serve. Here we go, it is all ready. I hope you enjoy watching today's recipe. If you did, please remember to like, share, comment, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.